Ever wanted fresh herbs and veggies just steps from your stove? A seasonal kitchen garden is easier to start than you think, and it'll change the way you cook. First, pick your spot. Look for a windowsill, countertop, or small shelf that gets at least 4 to 6 hours of sunlight a day. A few pots or a simple planter box is all the space you need. Next, choose what to grow based on the season. In spring, try lettuce, peas, and mint. Summer is perfect for tomatoes, basil, and peppers. As it cools down, switch to kale, chives, and rosemary. Once you've picked your plants, it's time to get your hands dirty. Fill your containers with quality potting soil, plant your seeds or starters at the right depth, and give everything a good first watering. Consistency is key. Check the soil daily. Water when the top inch feels dry, and rotate your containers so every plant gets even sunlight. Before you know it, you'll be snipping fresh herbs and picking ripe veggies right from your kitchen, ready to toss into any meal. So grab a pot, pick a sunny spot, and start your own seasonal kitchen garden today. Your next meal